Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be working on some focus mitts. This will improve your speed, your accuracy, your timing, your breath work, and coordinate your footwork. Before we get there, I need you to click the buttons to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always so you'll be kept up with our latest videos.
Alright guys, so now we're going to work on focus mitt drills. So when you guys are working with each other with pad drills, unless you're wrapped up, because some guys come and they wrap up or you got gloves, keep just hold your hands up. Try not to, I know some people hurt themselves, they just start slamming the pads. If you're dealing with somebody who's not wrapped up when he shoots a jab, just gently give him a little touch. If somebody's not wrapped up, you don't want them hurting their hands by slamming down on it. So in all these, if you're not wrapped up, pad mitt, just gently touch. So our first drill we're going to warm up with is really simple. I just want you to hit 5 simple reps doing a jab, cross, jab, cross. Come on, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. Go ahead, a few more. Again. Good. All right, stay right moving along. The second drill, just again as part of your warm up, we're going to do a jab hook because we're going to be filling these in today with the workout. So just jab hook, same thing, do 5 reps, jab hook. So we're going to work a very, very simple program we worked in class, just simple focus mitts to start getting some head movement, some footwork, and get used to hitting pads. So we're going to start with our warm-up. I'm going to keep my pads down. I'm just going to present them. Keith's going to be in his stance, and we're working orthodox. I'm going to present my pads. He's going to hit it with a jab and a cross. Nice and simple. So just start with this. Let him see the pads, jab and cross. Jab and cross, okay? Jab and cross. So the next phase is he learns to move and mirror my footwork. So if I half step back, present the pads, jab, cross. Half step back, jab, cross. If I half step to him, jab, cross. Half step to him, jab, cross. When you're confident with that, we can start moving around. I start moving, present, jab, cross. If I start stepping the other way, jab, cross. If we start to circle a little bit, if we're circling and moving, I can just present the pads, and he learns to interrupt his motion just using the jab cross. Next drill is really simple, slip jab. So, Keith's going to learn to move. We're just going to work some head movement because sometimes in emergency, all you have is head movement. So I'm going to shoot the jab. He's going to slip and fire his jab right underneath. So watching me, he's going to slip, fire it underneath. He's going to slip, fire it underneath. All right, so here you're just going to start moving around a little bit. I'm going to shoot it. He's going to slip, fire underneath. Slip, fire underneath. Slip, fire underneath. Okay? Piece A. Now, when you're comfortable with that, we go back to where before. I present both pads. It's a jab cross. It's a jab cross. But now he's being cognizant because if I shoot the jab, he slips and fires the slip jab. So if I step to him, jab cross, I might come right back, slip jab. He steps to me, come in, jab cross, he slips, fires the slip jab. Okay, so we slip the jab, now we're going to slip the cross. So this becomes our third in this series. So my hands up, I present him, I'm going to shoot the cross. He's going to use his head, but he's also got to take a step. Don't move yet. This is where my cross is coming. So he's going to step off the line, slip it, and then throw a hook and come through. So we're going to slip the cross. He's going to step off line, throw the hook. Step off line, throw the hook. Step off line, throw the hook. And now we go back to the first drill. Again, I present. He's got a jab cross. Moving around, jab cross. Here, I can randomly just shoot the cross and just step out and throw the hook. So we move, he comes to me, jab cross, he comes to me, jab cross, I shoot the cross, he slips it, throws the hook. Here in the next series, we're going to slip the jab again, but instead of coming with a slip jab, he's going to shoot the cross. So my hands up, I shoot the jab, he slips it and throws the cross. Slips the jab, throws the cross. Slips the jab, throws the cross. Slips the jab, throws the cross, and then we start moving around a little bit. You got jab cross, you got jab cross. He slips the jab, shoots the cross. Jab cross, shoot the jab, hit the cross. So aside from slipping, we're going to work a little bit of defense. So Keith's going to come out, we got the jab cross, right? From the jab cross. But now, instead of me shooting a jab or a cross, I'm going to throw a hook randomly. It doesn't matter which. He's just going to pick up his hand, use a Bill Sal and cover. So he's got jab cross, and every once in a while I'm just going to whip in a hook. Moving around, jab cross, defend. Jab cross, defend. Jab cross, defend. Okay? All right, so now let's just put them all together. Start slow, guys. So our initial thing is we were moving. He's got the jab cross, right? Got the jab cross. So once in a while, randomly, he can shoot the slip jab, right? Come in and slip jab. Or if I shoot the jab, he can come off and shoot the cross. Moving around a little bit, jab cross, and then some defense. You can hit them randomly any way you want. Jab cross, and don't forget, slowly press your opponent. Jab cross, pressure opponent. Jab cross, okay? Now I shoot the cross. Comes in, throws the hook. So randomly just start to mix and match where your techniques are. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.